Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 10, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong August 10, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, August 10, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 10, 2026, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, August 10, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of August 10, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.